Pokemon plane. Well, good afternoon. It's November 14th. It's, what time is it? 4 o'clock? Back on the boat. And she looks in good shape, which is awesome. And now we're tired from traveling. We're gonna get some downtime, rest for the rest of the day. Work begins tomorrow.
So one problem we've been having is backlighting. So sailing at night, some of our buttons, like this one, the Jon Buoy light, it's an LED blue light and it's pretty bright. When we're out here trying to keep a lookout at night, anytime we look down at the panel or even glance near it, it kind of ruins our night vision. So we managed to work with McConaughey to come up with a solution. It's a dimmer switch, and I found these cool like Deutsch connector things. I got to crimp more things. It's fantastic. I learned a new system. So I crimped like little male pins in there. So male pins in the female attachment, and then female pins inside that, and it's weather sealed and it's like super tight. It looks cool. It's fun to work with. Anyway, so now it's the moment of truth. I'm gonna plug these bits in. Oh, satisfying little click. I should be able to, at least for this little light, dim up and down. This is gonna be tucked in way behind here,
right
behind a chart plotter. I'm gonna just keep it dim all the time. So now I'm gonna ask you to go downstairs and turn on the Jon Buoy release button, and then I'll try and dim it and see how it works.
Okay.
Yeah, go ahead and start it.
Power on.
Okay, there it's blue. So that's brightness all the way up,
yeah,
and then brightness all the way down. It's daylight and I can still see it. It's not a huge difference.
Well,
It's probably still going to be too bright.
nighttime test, still pretty bright. Better, but
Much
still
better
bright.
than it was.
It's fainter than these two, at least.
Yeah, I'm working on those next.
Another morning workout with Kevin. I was gonna say, it's been a long time since we've done sort of proper workouts. We've been jogging today. Maybe we can get back into the routine here. We'll see.
Eating cats lately? He's a big boy.
He wouldn't jump across, right?
Oh, he could, but no.
Nah. So doing some troubleshooting today. Trusty winch here is misbehaving. So these winches have 3 speeds. Our slow speed. And this button is our medium speed, which isn't working. So we hear a clunk and nothing happens. There is a control box around the corner and we've checked the lights and that says that the status is good. So now, just pulled off this little cover. Kevin, mischief. And have a look at the motor itself, which is in there. Hard to see. Maybe that's the issue. We don't know. Ready?
Yeah. 28 volts.
28 volts coming through.
So this is the the negative power that goes to the switching control box. Anyway, I noticed when I was wiggling it, the switching control box was clicking.
Hear that?
Went to check it, and this just pulled right out.
Oh,
Really bad, a bad crimp, low quality fitting too. And there's really not much wire showing here.
No.
So I'm going to
Strip it.
redo this and recrimp it with a new fitting.
Great.
I don't think it explains our symptoms, but it should be fixed anyway.
Make the magic happen. Oh yeah. Very nice. So this winch has 2 motors actually. one going in one direction, one going in the other. So we're going to test. That's the two red cables. We're going to swap them and see if that powers the motor that's not currently activating when we press the button. So our test had the same result, which means the problem is in the motor itself. We may need a new motor. He's going for it.
Like, did he get up into the boat?
It's really big. Yeah, he could have gotten into a boat if he wanted to. There he goes. So our friends who you last would have seen in Raja Ampat just arrived here in Langkawi, which is really cool. We didn't know they were coming this way. They're on sailing catamaran Aventure. We can go see them. Bridge over here. Heading there next. What are you doing up there, Kevin?
Oh, this is a factory testing sample for, I guess it's a 3-layer floor, just to make sure that even if the top layer breaks, you're not going to fall through.
Okay. We have to wear these shoes. That is breezy. Woo! It's the eagle's nest. Hold on to the hat.
And there's your Talaga Marina.
Right there. Cool.
Langkawi.
Yeah, Langkawi's pretty.
And Thailand. I think that island is part of Thailand.
Oh, just across the way there.
Yeah. That's not Koh Lipe, but I think that's part of Thailand.
Oh, really?
Yeah, the mainland.
That was our first stop last year.
Yeah. You did. Watch, you might go for your phone. It's a bit... Do you have a new friend, Jason? It's like you're walking your dog or a cat. Ay, ay. So tomorrow we're hauling out the boat, and you can see behind me, that's the lift. We're just checking out the yard today to make sure everything's in order and that we know where we're going tomorrow. Kevin is wearing his electrician hat today, and he's working on figuring out the dimming for our centerboard lights, our buttons that are in the helm stations.
I think I have it. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Thanks very much. I will let you know if I have troubles.
Okay, no problem. If you have any question, you can send us email.
Okay.
So this is it. We're leaving the Royal Langkawi Marina. We've got Saoirse ready to go. Singled our lines. Kevin's testing forward and reverse. And it's probably the last time we're going to be in Langkawi. It's kind of sad. We like it here. But it's time, and now we're headed to the yard. Okay, here we go. Yep. Ready?
Let's take off the port side first.
Okay.
And then we'll go with starboard.
All right. There we go. A bit of wind and current today. That's where we need to go into. We're not nervous, right?
No, just waiting for them to be ready.
Yeah. Looks like they're getting ready for us. Cool as a cucumber up there.
Mark is there, so it's on.
Yeah. And now, we're gonna close the sail drive, or the sea cup for the engine, without getting burned. Back there. Gonna have to lift her higher for the rudders. We're going over what the bottom paint's gonna look like. So we're gonna raise it to where Kevin's pointing there, basically the top of the bootstrap. We're gonna prop speed the props. Touch up the rudders.